In this video, I'm about to show you how to prompt correctly on InVideo AI. First, navigate to the web browser and search for InVideo AI in the search bar. Now, click on the second website to reach the InVideo AI website. Once you reach the website, hit the Try InVideo AI button. After that, it will give you a box to give your topic, language, and detailed constructions. You can type any topics of instruction in the box to generate a video. For demonstrations, I've added the prompts such as make a video of Superman fighting with the Captain America in an intense environment showing a peek of their aggressions. Hit the Generate a Video button and it'll start analyzing. Then, select your audience, look and feel, and platform types, and continue it. Here, it'll start loading to generate the video according to your prompt. After that, it'll show you the video generated by InVideo AI. In the end, you can watch the video to your satisfaction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.